Today we're making fried green tomatoes. Alright y'all, first things first, Jenny needs a little head scratch. After we slice them up, we're gonna put them in a little mix. Start off with flour, then you go ahead and douse them in some eggs, and then move to the seasoning. And of course, you need a little tap for love. After that, get your oil hot, drop it straight in the pan, and be super careful because it is very easy to burn yourself. I wish there was more of a science here, but it's kind of more of a feel thing. We definitely burned some, but there's also some batches where we nailed it. To be honest, I kind of like the burned ones a little bit more sometimes, or at least crispy ones. But yeah, I thought these turned out pretty nice. Y'all let me know, what does the ideal fried green tomato look like? I am definitely on Team Crispy. And feel free to shoot me a follow if you guys want to see some gardening tips and fresh food cooked straight from the garden.